Cryptocom Earn App. The pros, the cons. The Cryptocom Earn app allows you to earn interest on your cryptocurrency holdings, and you won't believe how flexible it can be. Most people get this wrong by leaving crypto idle, missing out on potential growth. Pros include support for dozens of cryptocurrencies, flexible or fixed-term earning options, and competitive interest rates. Users can choose their preferred lock-in periods and earn extra rewards if using the platform's CRO token. Security is strong, with two-factor authentication, cold storage, and insurance on digital assets. Cons include possible rate fluctuations and lock-in periods for higher yields. Fees for withdrawals may apply, and some crypto options are limited by regional regulations. Beginners may also find the variety of options slightly confusing at first. In conclusion, Cryptocom Earn is perfect for users wanting to generate passive income from their crypto holdings. It's versatile, secure, and beginner-friendly, but understanding lock-in periods and interest conditions is essential to maximize benefits safely.